ragtop time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1977 MG MGB Convertible. 1.8 liter inline 4-cylinder powered. It does have an aftermarket intake manifold, Pierce intake manifold on it, newer carb. The 1.8 liter is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia or front bumper. White exterior, black vinyl buckets, black vinyl top. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see them at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Riding on the MG wheels, radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see paint has a nice shine to it. It shows well. You may find an imperfection here or there, but overall, paint has a nice look to it. Black vinyl interior again, bucket seats, center console. There's that 4-speed. AM/FM radio with 8-track player. We'll put the top up, start it up, let you hear it run, take a little closer look at that interior in just a bit. Also, if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. As you can see, luggage rack. Get a good look at the rear fascia. A few other things you're going to see in all the still pictures is the cockpit cover. Also a convertible top cover. So 2 support bars in the package. A couple of miscellaneous parts, what looks like an oil filter. Repair manual. Those things will also go with it and go back in the trunk. And again, you'll be able to see those in the still pictures as well as every angle of this car, top up, top down, uniqueclassiccars.com. Top is a manual top, of course. One person can put it up easy enough. And again, we're going to check that out in just a bit. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Again, you can see the paint shows well. There might be a real small nick here or there, but again, overall, paint shows well, has a nice shine to it. Let's take a little closer look at this interior before we fire it up. As you can see, door panels also in nice shape. Aftermarket speakers, I believe those would be installed. Radio is working. No rips, tears, holes, and the vinyl seats in nice shape. Let's go ahead and start this up. Gauges, fuel gauge coming up, as you can see. Check oil pressure came up. Back also works, a little bit bouncy. Odometer reads 23,069 miles. I can't confirm or deny if that would be the original miles, due to the fact once the vehicle is so old it's marked exempt on the title. Temp gauge, that was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be up. And again, the radio is working. Dash, looking good. Boy, quiet running. Let's take a listen. Let's go ahead and get this hood open. Take a peek at the engine bay, and then, like I said, I'll put the top up. We'll check out the condition of that, and Jason will take it for a drive. There's a look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. So there's that Pierce intake manifold, newer carb, as you can see. Again, inline 4-cylinder, 1.8 liter. Give you a good idea how it's running. All right, let's go ahead and get that convertible top up and get it ready for Jason to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And the convertible top. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Black vinyl. Rolled up the side glass. You can see how that fit. Looks good over here on the driver's side. Now, there is a little spot that's been taped on the inside. It's a little bit of a scar, but you need it to keep you dry. gonna work just fine. Plastic rear windows and kind of a matching spot over here. It's gonna have the same thing done on the inside. Little small spot, little scar. Side glass, all good. Like I said, you need it to keep your dryer out of the sun. Gonna serve the purpose just fine. 1977 MG MGB Convertible. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1977 MG MGB. This is a convertible. We do have the top down today. Both the turn signals are working on this car. It is a 4-speed manual. Smooth running car. This car started up and idled right away, nice and quietly. Even during acceleration here, it's what you might think is a stock sounding exhaust. Nice and quiet. Smooth running car. The fuel gauge shows completely full. The oil pressure is 3/4 of the way up the gauge. Our tachometer is working. Speedometer shows 50 miles an hour, and that feels about right. The clock is counting the seconds. And our temperature gauge is right in the middle of the game. Stereo that appears
Powers
factory.
resurrection. Here's the idea. I want to have,
And that is working. He was about to say this car. He wants to have this car because it is a fun little, nice condition MG. Vinyl bucket seats. I'm 6'1" and I fit well in this car. The MG steering wheel looking good in wood. I don't know if that's refinished, but it's the quality of a refinished wheel. A little bit of finger bumps in the back in the wood. Let's go to first gear again for the traffic circle. The motor just sounds so crisp and clean, like it's been rebuilt. I don't know that it has, but it feels that way. Corners, well, it's so light and nimble and small. It's virtually easy to do anything with this car. Cruising down the road, it's nice and smooth. It absorbs the bumps very well, even for a small car. Take a look at all the pictures of this MG at UniqueClassicCars.com.